Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today I have a Cocomelon lunchbox. We're gonna learn all about food and colors and counting. Let's do it. Wow, we have a popsicle. Popsicles are in the treats category of food. Look at all the colors. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Wow, like a rainbow. Can you count to 4 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Next, we have an apple. Apple is in the fruits category of food. Did you know apples are my favorite fruit? This apple is red, but I like green apples the most. Next, we have toast and an egg. Toast is in the grains category of food. Did you know that's the biggest category that we should be consuming? That's good. I love bread. And an egg. Eggs are in the protein category of food. Protein is super important so you have lots of energy and stay full. I love that it's shaped like a flower. How fun! This is a fork, and this is a spoon. These are eating utensils so we don't get our hands all messy. There's a blue tray, and a yellow tray, and a pink tray. Time to pack up. I had so much fun learning all about foods, numbers, and colors with you. Thank you, and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.